Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you know, today is the dyno day for the car. So we're just going to check all the fluids, make sure everything's topped off, looks good. We're going to add some water wetter. Had it in there before, but when I did the oil pump gears, a lot of the coolant drains, so we put new coolant in. So we're going to throw another bottle of water wetter in. I did notice it helped a little bit with coolant temps. I kept it nice and low in the summertime last year, so we're going to do it again. We're going to top off with some E90. The dyno isn't too far away. It's about 20-minute drive, 30-minute drive. So we're just going to fill it up, drive it on over, and then get it dyno tuned. So yeah, we'll go over the car, throw some E90 in it, and then head on our way to go and put it on the dyno. I'm hoping to make like 900 horsepower. That'd be nice. This kit is more than capable of it with the fuel system. The only thing limiting me will probably be the injectors. So we'll go ahead and get the car ready, fill it up, and head on over. Dyno appointment is at 2, so we'll probably be leaving here about 1:15, somewhere in there. The skinnies should be showing up today from Beefcake Racing. They do have their special going, 10% off site wide, plus some other stuff. So I decided to pick them up while it was still going on. So the UPS guy should be delivering some goodies and some tires today. So that's always something good to look forward to. So we'll knock out the car and head on over to the dyno. Maybe have some fun in Mexico on our way there. So yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, and see you at the dyno. What's that?
You're gonna like it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
With an 871.
Hell yeah.
And that was 13 pounds of boost. Fuck, we need to go more.
Not bad at all.
13 pounds, that's all we got.
Fuck yeah.
I want to do one more with some more boost.
Little better?
I think your clutch or something slipped right there. 916.
Oh yeah.
See, where was this at right here? 5500.
That's probably the clutch.
Yeah. I think it slipped and re-grabbed. Probably would have went a little bit better.
So we're back from the dyno, and it went good. It went really good. So we're on E90 right now. First pull was 10 psi, give or take 10 psi. We made 790. I want to say, let me look. I took a picture of it. We made 793. To the wheels at 7,300 RPMs. Second pull we did even better. That was our 871 pull. That was about 13 psi to 7,500 RPMs. And then our last pull, we set the boost controller up some more, and I didn't turn the boost cut up. I left it at 16. So of course we got up to about 16 psi, about 15.8 is what the log showed, but I'm sure it got up to 16. And in the middle of the pull, it cut the boost, dropped us back down to 11 pounds, and kept spooling. So he kept pulling, and ended up at 916 on that pull. Topped out around 14 pounds of boost with the extra 2% in the wastegate duty. So I'm happy. There's definitely a lot of room left in this kit. The ID1000s kind of limit me, but everything else well handle 1,000 horsepower. I don't know if we're gonna push that on the stock block. You know, you never know in the moment you send it. No moon tunes yet. So for now, that was all on E90. I haven't done the 93 stuff yet. I'd like to, just to see where that is. But yeah, as it sits on about 14 pounds of boost, making 916 to the wheel. He let out early on that one too. Only went to about 7,100. So that lets me know if we up that boost cut, and then if I take it back and we do it again, which should probably do that. It's easily 930, 940, maybe 950. Who knows? He predicted it was only going to make like 700 horsepower, but here we are. Second pull is definitely the best pull, 871. I'm happy with that. Only went in expecting about 850s. So 871 and even seeing 900. Awesome. I'm happy. Especially for a car that I put together myself, so I didn't take it to a shop or anything. I did everything, fuel system, turbos, everything. Did it myself, and that is a great accomplishment. I feel really good about that. Definitely not my last car. So hopefully the track's open back up soon so we can get this out to the track and race it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you liked the video. I had fun today. So hope you guys liked the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, keep up with the videos. It's gonna be fun to see this at the track. This is definitely gonna be a 9-second car, I'd say, with the driver mod. I don't expect to go 9s my first pass, but you know, somewhere high 9s. It's definitely capable of it. Me, I'm probably gonna murder the hell out of it and screw it up, so we'll see. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.